Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a weekend in my life, so we have Coachella prep to do. I've got my Sunday reset because I leave for Coachella Wednesday night at 10 o'clock because I camp with my friends. Bottom line, this week only has a good 2.5 days for me to really get things done, so we need to do some prep. I am stressing hardcore because a lot of the stuff that I had ordered and planned to get for Coachella, I only have until Wednesday for all this stuff to come in. None of it has so far, and one of my orders from Beginning Boutique says it's delayed, so I'm gonna cry. And they even said it might not get here before you leave. I did get fitted for Coachella for one outfit from East and West Label, which I will insert the clips of that here. I always think that this angle is like a good idea, but it's never a good idea. And I'm gonna get dressed before my meeting so that I can just go on over to my little gifting suite. I got a couple new things from White Fox, so I'm gonna wear 2 of them. And then I got jeans because I love jeans. I don't know how I feel about this, vibes. I don't know, these shoes, I love the platform mini Uggs when I see other people wearing them, but as soon as I do, I feel like I look like a Clydesdale. Okay, vibes, but I'm going to go in my office, set up, and do my little meeting, so. Purr. This is the suitcase that I'm gonna bring. It is my biggest one currently because my big one broke in a while ago, and my small one, I don't need to do that because we're taking 2 cars, our group, so I have more room to have a bigger suitcase. So I picked up a bunch of packing cube things from Amazon, so it comes with a ton, all different size packing cubes. And then this is a laundry bag, and then this one is a shoe bag. I'm thinking I'll put my white sneakers in this, and then all of the boots can just raw dog it in there. Why would I even bother? We are going to be camping in the dirt and it's Coachella. Anyway, for the vibes. And then this one's supposed to be the underwear bag. And then also there's one more. So this is the little bag that they have. You can really put whatever in it, but I'm using it as my little misc bag of things like pills, liquid IVs. Actually, these aren't liquid IVs. I have the Pedialyte ones. I do have my little Seed Symbiotic in its little travel case. Look how cute. This is my first time traveling with Seed Probiotics. I didn't want to put them with all the other things. I know the capsule has a shield to block out light and moisture, but I feel like it should go in the travel case that it came with, just in case that helps it in any way. And then I just have these pill containers that I just got from Amazon. I really can't go without the shit that I take daily because I notice a difference in my energy and everything, so I want to make sure I am on my regular routine of supplements and stuff. And I also have my allergy meds that I have to take every day, otherwise I get such bad sinus headaches I can't do anything. It's like a sinus migraine. That's all we have in there for now, but I think I'm gonna also put like my keys and just important things in this little pouch. This is my travel jewelry case. We've got some bracelets, some rings, more rings, butterfly clips just in case. I'm gonna bring more. Some necklaces. We have a body chain right here. I've got this headscarf. And this is actually a bralette that I'm so stoked on. I will link below in case you want to pick it up maybe for next Coachella. I also forgot all those packing cubes came in this, and this is the toiletry bag. This is gonna be great to just have everything in, and I can carry this with me when I go to the showers at the campgrounds every day. And then I do have some portable chargers that I need to charge. And then I was gonna pick up some film cameras, but I found one that I had from Bloom. I don't know when and where I got this. I'm assuming it came in a PR package, but full of film. We're gonna just use that. I do have film cameras that still have photos from like 4 Coachellas ago that I have not developed. When I develop this year's, I'm gonna develop everything from the past, and we're gonna do a nice little photo dump. I went in that bin under my sink where I have a bunch of just travel and restock stuff, and I found a ton of travel stuff that I do have. I don't recall what. I know this says lotion, but is it face moisturizer or is it body moisturizer? And conditioner. Okay, see, I'm just a little confused because some of these just don't make sense and they're all white. This is cute. I'm just gonna use this for my shampoo and conditioner. So I'm gonna put travel stuff and some of the toiletries in the little bag right now. Tis time for some skincare. Gonna do a little bit of skincare now and then do my nails, and then later tonight I'll put on a couple coats of self-tanner. I feel like that just feels right. Rewatching Friends. Look at me and my pink drink. hair done, nails done. I did white gel again, but then I wanted to add something sparkly and I was looking through my makeup and I had this body glitter, but it's kind of an eyeshadow thing, but it says body glitter. So I was like, you know what? Let's just put that on the nails and then put top coat and see what happens. I love it. I mean, my nails look really raunchy and this would have looked way better in a salon, but I want to be the girly who does her nails at home. Eventually, it will be a time saver. I will get better at it, but look at her. So I think I'm gonna match the nails by putting that glitter on my face, body, whatever, for the actual festival. We're in a dilemma, but we have a mild solution. I think I mentioned that I got an Abercrombie order. I got these jeans. I don't know what the jeans are called, what the style is called, but I'll link them below. And I also got these crochet pants, very cute. I was gonna wear them with this bra that I showed you guys, right? They haven't even shipped yet. I'm just as mad, girly, same. So that's another outfit down the tubes. So we only have one outfit, but silver lining, I got an email reminding me that I am supposed to attend I forgot what brand or media company is having a gifting suite for Coachella. I originally was not gonna go because to drive all the way up to LA just for that, I was like, you know what, no, vibes, I'm getting all my stuff, got the outfit, so I don't need to do that. Now I do need to do that, babe. So that's the situation, but I'm just going to pack right now, everything but the outfits. Finish my workout, finish my meditation. I'm gonna change now, do my skincare, get ready, and go to LA for that festival gifting suite. I am hoping I find my Coachella outfits. I've also learned with manifestation, which I've been subconsciously when I was younger and in high school and just when I did manifestation without learning about it, you just know that you're gonna get the outcome that you desire. There is no like, oh, I believe, I hope, I want. You just know that that's gonna happen. And that's when things happen for me, is when I just know that there's no other option. It's going to happen. So I know I'm going to find some Coachella fits today because that is my only option. Since I only did abs and like a little bit of yoga for my workout today, I didn't sweat that much. So we're wearing this top. It's very cute. I love it with the jeans. I was like, you know what? We're keeping it on. Wearing the blazer that I always wear. My jeans are from White Box. Everything else is from Amazon. We got the Reebok sneaks. Did the lightest makeup I've ever done because I don't wear makeup during the daytime, but I thought, this is kind of like business bitch thing. I should be a little more put together, so super light skin tint. I will link all the products that I used in the description along with the outfit, and I'm about to head out. Okay, it's 11:11. So I just got out of the gifting suite. I'll show you everything when I get home, but I didn't get what I needed. They just didn't have a lot. It was more like an event, a party, than it was actual festival wear. This is my only day to go to gifting suites, and I'm in LA, but I don't think there were any other ones today. I'm gonna go through my email and see if there were. I did get matcha though. They had cha-cha matcha, so I'm not a... What is this bitch doing? Do you see that? What are you doing, babes? This is like a horror movie where you're about to back into my car and then rob me. I kind of want to just go get a tattoo for funsies. I don't know, I'm in LA, I feel like getting a tattoo. I'm gonna check my email, see if there's more gifting suites. If not, I'm gonna cry. So, see ya. Back home now, and I'm gonna show you the stuff that I got. I got a couple pieces. We'll see how I can put things together. I had stuff for Coachella and Stagecoach from 12th Tribe. I didn't think it was gonna come, and it didn't. But the cowboy hats came. Let me show you really quickly though what I got. Okay, let me just put these on for you. These ones actually fit my head, which is crazy because hats are always too big for my head, even though I think I have a large head. Look at my little rootin' tootin' enough. Do you not like cowboys? Is that not your vibe? She's purring. Okay, we got this one and it has the little buckly moment, but this is the first hat. It'll go with any of the outfits and they're mostly for Stagecoach, but if I need to wear them for Coachella, I will. And then this is the second one. Just a nice little cream one. Oh, you know what would've looked good? This hat, that jeweled bralette, and then the crochet pants that match the hat. Those I found out hadn't even shipped yet. So, I know. I'm giving cowgirl for Coachella and Stagecoach. Purr. And then I did pick up this little bralette. It was the last one they had and I was like, yeah, that's mine. That's mine. I'm not a silver girly, but that's mine. I was really just trying to survive in there and figure out, okay, what can I get that's gonna really be foundational for other outfits with what I have? Leather shorts. I feel like leather shorts are a classic. These probably are gonna show my ass. I don't like the look of just like part of your ass showing. Like show it all, show none of it. You know what I'm saying? So I then got this corset top, which is dope because the back does the little, I was gonna say lickety split. Yeah, it does the little lickety split in the back. And then I got these pants. I'm hoping they fit because they're sick. I think it might be too hot for pants. I'm pretty sure I have this backpack in the shiny version, but I saw it and I was like, this is perfect. Oh, I did get a pair of sunglasses, which I'll show you in a second. And then the last purse that I got was this little white one. It does have a little crossbody thing and it has a little pouch, like the kangaroo pouch on the strap. The bags are from Petta and Jane. This top and the leather shorts are from That's So Fetch. The pants don't have a tag. If I find the brand name, I will link them below or tag them below. And then this is from the brand Amika. Let me show you the sunglasses. These, very cute. You know my color palette is brown, tans, warms. I don't know, I feel like a bug in these. Now let's try to plan some outfits again. And these bring out my hip dips. Oh, thank you guys. Hey. Okay, vibes. The only issue I have with this is the way it cuts my ass off and makes my ass look weird. You know what I'm saying? I don't have a show-off ass right now, and that little layer right here is really messing with me mentally. Do you know what I'm saying? So if I'm like walking, does this look terrible? I showed you the cool rings I got, but see, it just matches the black with it. Yeah, my tattoo really makes. Do you not like it? I like it. I think it's nice. Oh, okay, I see your point. I don't though. Anyway, so my tattoo looks good with it. I don't know. If I was more pale, this would be a monstrosity. Easy breezy, beautiful cover girl, but this looks like Stagecoach. Actually, there's a whole farm to table vibe going on with Coachella lately. You know what? I might just be drunk enough that this is okay, you know? I'm not sending it in the group chat vibes because it's one girl and all males. I don't trust a man's opinion with my clothing because they don't even put in any effort whatsoever, so not even asking them. This is all on me. My best friend, the only girl that's going with us, she has drastically different taste than me. We have completely different style, totally different looking people, and everyone's always like, how do you two know each other? Do you guys all need to know this information? No, cutting all of that out. But I'm gonna leave it just a little bit. Ugh, I want more tattoos now. I feel like this look doesn't feel right without more tattoos, you know? I'm shooketh to my core that I like this. This is the bathing suit cover up that I always wear, but I felt like I couldn't wear anything that was gonna take away from the top. So I went black on black, and then the silver in this matches this. Babes! I don't like these glasses though. This makes me look like I'm in Men in Black. Don't like it. I have these bad boys, which are not cowboy-y, like on the cusp of cowboy. Oh, I like this, yes. Okay, this will work. I'm actually shocked to my core, and I like this better than what I was getting in the mail. I feel like this has to be either my Calvin Harris outfit or my Bad Bunny outfit. I don't know. And then that middle one could be middle day, and then the white fringy one, which I'll try on next. I cut out those clips. Stop it. Fringy one. Oh my god, what could be? Should we get walkie-talkies? Remember, Vampire Diaries episode, Feel So Close to You, Calvin Harris. I'm trying to recreate that scene with a friend. Will this be the outfit for that? Or will it be my white fringe set? Which, I cut those clips out entirely because I look like a gremlin and just, it's a waste of time that you don't need to see it. So I'm gonna try on next the white fringy set that I got from that gifting suite that I went to. And all of this, and I'm camping with no full-length mirror. That's gonna hurt. I'm not gonna get good photos in this because I hate getting my photo taken, but I love a good mirror photo, and there's no mirror. Because there's no way I'm gonna go without a photo of this, you know what I'm saying? Dude, I can't stop looking at the top. You guys remember that episode of Friends when Monica got seashells in her hair? This is what this feels like. That's what this feels like. Anyway, love, let's try on the little fringe set. This is the outfit that I got from the place that I went to get styled. They're also potentially gonna style me for Stagecoach. I also got this little fringe moment. Maybe I do like pigtails or space buns. I want my ass out this much. It's just not serving. Maybe I just don't like my ass right now. Ankle boots just, they don't. So we could do these, because they're like super white and I never wear them. Oh, with frilly white socks. I don't have frilly white socks. Who am I? I don't have enough hair for that, but like these bad boys, you know what I'm saying? Like, ooh. That was fun. Okay. Oh, actually, I might just end it here.